walls of this room are the color of white noise. You ask me to stay, to name this way of being, but every definition is a noose, a chalk line on the rain-soaked street, ready to be washed away. I am not the puzzle piece, I am the gap between the tiles. No muse, no target, no career in a frame, just the echo of a step that refuses to leave a footprint in your geometric world. They want a harbor, they want a mirror, but I choose the exile, the cold of being no one. To belong is to accept your punctuation, where I only see the abyss. I am the exception, screaming in the void. Rules do not exist. When you walk into the dark, I hope you choke on your hunger for possession.